Here I have XIAOMI Mi 6 and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the following device. First of all, let's start by holding a power key. Then let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as Fastboot pops up on the screen. So now you can use your desired mode, or if you would like to quickly switch off the Fastboot mode, all you have to do is simply press power key for a long time, keep holding power button and release power as soon as phone goes black. Now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, the device is in normal mode, so now you can use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.